got the picture, we got the popsicle sticks, the normal stick that's from outside, and we got scissors and glue. So what we're gonna start first is our picture of your mom and dad or your family or whatever you want. So we're gonna set it down, and of course we're gonna cut these because these are too big. So this is gonna be hard because I'm using scissors. It's hard. Wood is really hard. Like hard. But I'm strong enough. There. Got one cut. See if it fits. Close to being there. And we're gonna, oh gosh, this is hard. I've never got wood before, so I've never known what this is like. This is gonna take like an hour or two, I don't know. Finally got through all of this work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our glitter glue. So you have to do like each individual side, just like that. And then we're gonna take one. It's okay if you don't get like the whole picture right, like I do, just like that. And then we're gonna put another layer on top. So like this way. So we're gonna add more glue. Of course, everybody loves glue, like me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next we're gonna take these two that are not cut, just like that. I know like my mom, I think, likes glitter, and my dad. I feel like everybody loves glitter. So there we go. And then we're gonna add some decorations. I'm going with pink because pink is the best. Well, I'm gonna use glue and pink or the rainbow colors. I don't know. And you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna go with the purple glitter pen. We got something like this, and then we're gonna. Okay. My hair might have glue in it, but I'm fine with that because I'm gonna like take a shower maybe, or like a shower the next day. Have you seen a color wheel? All the colors blended together are so pretty. So pretty. So after it dries, probably gonna take like a whole day, maybe, or one night, who knows. I haven't watched a video how long glue dries. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put the stem on, which is basically a plain stick. Instead of using the stick, I decided to use cardboard. So come on, get out. Okay, now carefully set the cardboard on. There we go. And we're almost done. So you can add something on the back like I'm doing. So I'm gonna add probably one of these to make like a cute little eyes for the back. I don't know. Draw a cute little heart. Everybody, make sure you like and subscribe. See you later.